Welcome to Titan Mind. Today we're walking you through how to use our Google Sheets MCP to analyze your data with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it's super simple. Let's dive in, open your browser and head to platform.titanmindhq.com/engage. Click the profile icon in the top right corner, then go to settings. On the left, you'll see options like general settings, channels, and more. Head to the AI section. Under AI, click on MCP servers. You'll see four options. For this demo, we're focusing on Google Sheets MCP. Click Configure in the top right corner of the G Sheets option. Enter the Google Drive folder ID for the sheet you want to use. To get the folder ID, go to Google Drive, find the folder with your sheet, and copy the ID from the URL. Paste the folder ID, hit save, and boom, your Google Sheet is now configured with TitanMind's MCP server. Now click Chat with AI on the right side of the header. This takes you to a simple interface where you can ask questions about your data. For example, I asked, explain about the data in this Google Sheet. The AI instantly analyzes and explains your data, even if it's complex. Let's try another question. Give me the email ID of first name Joseph. And just like that, the AI finds all matching email IDs. With TitanMind's Google Sheets MCP, analyzing complex data is as easy as asking a question. No advanced skills needed, just type and let the AI do the heavy lifting.